Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariaa Rodriguezz. Today I will be doing March's Boxycharm right here, and basically I'm just gonna be trying them on and reviewing them and see how I like them. So if you want to know how the products I got in this month's Boxycharm and how I felt about them, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and doing a trial with this month's Boxycharm. I get so excited seeing which products I'm getting and playing with them. So today I will just be using the products and naming them as I go. So let's get started. For the first color, I'm gonna be using the Morphe brush M441, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna be picking up this color right here. That's gonna be our transition color, and I already dab my nail into it. So I'm gonna pick up that color and place it right here where I'm gonna do the transition. It's looking a little different in my eye than in the pan, but maybe I just have to build it up a little. That's pretty. Now I'm gonna continue and do the same on the other eye, which is just placing the color where I want it and then build it up. So the colors are blending well. When I tap in the brush on the palette, it does have fallout or kickback. I don't know what colors I want to use yet. I'm just gonna play around and see what look I'm gonna create. Now with a smaller blending brush, this is the Visanti Contour Eyeshadow in number 4. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna be picking up is this dark brown plum color, and that's gonna be my crease color, and I'm just gonna focus it right in the crease. I just want to darken up the crease, so focusing it right there, and then the same as well on the other eye. Okay, so now once I feel I got the color right nicely, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the first brush I used with no additional product and blend those two colors together, giving it a nice transition and blend. So now with some concealer, I'm gonna be cutting the crease. And instead of doing a half cut crease, I'm just gonna cut the whole crease. So now with a thinner brush like that, I'm gonna pick up that dark burgundy color, I want to say, and since I feel like we were losing the line and I don't want to lose it, I'm gonna place that color right here again, and then with the crease brush I use, I'm gonna blend it because I don't want to lose that color. And blending is key, guys. If you want like a really good look, and if you're practicing makeup, like blending is key. That color is so pretty. I really want to use it, but I really want to use that purple one as well. Decisions. Okay, so now with this dose of colors dual brush that comes in their little palettes, I think I'm gonna pick up that color right here, and I'm gonna place it right here in the front of the eye. It's showing up really nicely. This color is so pretty. Now with this brush right here, this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It's a brush like that. I'm gonna pick up that purple. I really want to try that purple color right there. And that color, I'm gonna place it in the outer part of my lid. And see how those two colors look and blend together. They look pretty. I don't know how I feel about it, so let's keep on working with it and see the end result. The end results are always the coolest. I noticed that I didn't even have to wet the brush, like it picked up nicely with just a flat brush. I didn't have to add no Fix Plus or go ahead and do it with the finger, which I'm sure if I had, of course it would be like a little bit more intense, I feel like, but the brush is picking it up just fine. This blue color right here, this kind of reminds me like a mermaid color, a mermaid look. What y'all think? I'm gonna create a wing with the Nets matte liquid liner. Okay. Wing is done. Next product on my Boxycharm is this Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. It helps repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. And it's a creamy, rich treatment with yogurt powder, prebiotics, quinoa, or our botanical oil blend, and chia butter specifically formulated to help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. So of course I can't use it because I already showered and I don't think I'm gonna be able to test this out for you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna be using this Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes, which looks like this in the packaging. It's a step 3. Where's step 1 and 2? So I'm just gonna skip steps 1 and 2 and just go straight to 3. Kidding. Says but Murad Hydration. So this is gonna come in handy when it comes to moisturizing my under eyes, because in the winter my under eyes tend to get really dry. So I'm excited for this. You could use it in the AM and PM, and you just gently pat it around the eyes. So take this off. Okay, so I'm gonna got it in my shirt. I'm just gonna grab some with my middle finger and then just tap it in there while looking up so I could really get in there. And just in circular motion, just pat it. Okay, the same with the other eye. Pat it in so it could soak in. It does feel cold when you first put it on. So this is supposed to help, let me see. It's a deeply quench the delicate area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract, seal, and moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness, generally enough for sensitive skin. So this is perfect for me because it's Also good for sensitive skin and for fine lines. So this is a product I'm probably gonna have to end up using with time, just because if I end up using it with time, you could get a better and see how you like it. Okay guys, so now that my face is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and use this dual brush right here, and this one is by Echo Tools. I'm gonna be using that side right here to pick up this one right here. I'm gonna put that underneath my eye. Picking up that dark burgundy color with this Morphe. Doesn't have a name, but it's this other one right here. It's a little thinner, so I'm gonna pick up that burgundy color in the middle, and just I want this color to be closer to the lash line than the first color we used. So I'm trying to get it as close to the lash line as I can. And then going back with the first one. Just basically what I'm doing is blending and just giving it a nice transition, but not together, if that makes sense. Like, you still want to distinguish both colors, you know, just giving it like a nice gradient effect. That's basically gonna be it for the eye look. I'm just gonna add some falsies. I'm just gonna tight line with some black eyeliner, and then I'll be right back with the final look. One day I'm gonna do a look without no black eyeliner. Just wait for it. So with this inner corner highlighter, I'm gonna pick up the gold color right here and put that in my inner corner. Okay, that's not bad. So this is more like a copper color. I don't know why I was calling it gold. More of a coppery color. Okay. Now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead with the next product, which is this Vintage by Jessica Live Skinned, and the color Pink Sequin, which is this one right here. Can you see the sparkles in it? It's so pretty. I'm gonna try it on. Excuse my lips, guys, they're really crusty. It doesn't feel really sticky. It feels all right on the lips. I don't know if I like the shade. Maybe I wouldn't use it alone. I would use it as a topper. Yeah, most definitely as a topper. And lastly, the last product I got was this one, which is the Very Sherry Clean Makeup Meltway Cleansing Balm. So it is a pink sherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C rich acerola sherry. This nourishing facial cleansing balm melts away makeup and pollution residue, even the boldest eye makeup and long-wearing foundation are easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Ooh. So, sadly, I just did my makeup and I don't want to take it off right now. So, I'm gonna leave on my makeup for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back to using this to take off my makeup. Alright guys, so it is now the end of the day and I am ready to take off my makeup. So I'm gonna be using cleansing balm I got on my Boxycharm, which is this one right here. So I'm supposed to massage it into my skin, dry not wet, and then I rinse with warm water or wipe off with the damp washcloth. Ooh, it came like with a little spoon. Huh. Ooh, it looks so nice. It looks like if it was chopstick or something. See? I think that's what, so I suppose that with that spoon, we just put it on our face, I assuming. And then just massage it into. Ah, I love it, it feels so nice. Okay. It smells like sherry. Let's see how good it takes care of removing my makeup. And let's see the eye look. Ah, I look hideous. It's like all my makeup melting off. Ah. Okay, so it doesn't say how long, so I guess just, I imagine just rub it in. Have you guys noticed I'm always wearing black? I love black. Okay, eyebrows are gone, eyeshadow is gone, makeup is melted. I'm just gonna wash my face and see how good it washes it off. So this is my face after I have washed my face and cleaned it off. I did notice that everything came off really nicely. The only thing I didn't notice was my eyes, but that's something I always struggle with, taking makeup out of my eyes. So I did ended up liking it, so I'm gonna continue using it. And then I just think what I would do first is go in first with a makeup removing wipey and then with the cleansing balm. So, and I feel like that will take off even the harshest makeup, which is mostly just my eye makeup. That's always the harshest to take off. My thoughts about this month's Boxycharm was basically, I ended up liking the eyeshadow palette. I thought it was really pigmented and blended really nicely. This is the look I came up with, and I really liked it. I liked how all the colors blended out. And I couldn't try the hair mask just because I feel like that's something I will have to try on with time. I also want to try the moisturizer, the one that's for under eyes. I want to keep on using that with time to see if it really does help reduce undefined underlines. What else? The lip gloss. I'm not really a big fan of lip gloss. This one, as you can see, it was pink, but it really didn't show up on my lips as much. It's not sticky, so that's a plus. I like lip glosses that ain't that sticky. So this one was a really good lip gloss right here. Just not a big fan personally of lip glosses. And well, yeah guys, this is where I'm gonna close out the tutorial. Hey guys, well, this is the look I came up with using this month's Boxycharm. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. I always read them and I always reply to them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Until next time. Mariaa, ¿qué hiciste? What the hell? Look where I'm getting foundation. Like, how you got there? Yo te quiero. Have you guys listened to Bad Bunny's new song? Bomb AF.